So hello everyone, welcome back to another day of my daily blog series. This is day 195. Phew. So today was Sunday and honestly I wake up way too late. I got out of my bed around 11 a.m. I usually don't like waking up this late now because I have a routine of 9 or 10 a.m. 9 a.m. mostly, but Sundays are the only days where I don't set an alarm and just let my body rest and wake up naturally. So yeah, the day started pretty slow. I took my time getting ready, and there wasn't any rush. Around like 12 p.m., I headed to the shop. Stayed there till like 2 p.m. and just helping out on few managing and things. And after coming back home, I had my lunch, and by around 3 p.m., I was finally free for the day. Instead of like opening my laptop or thinking about a work, I decided to spend some quality time with my mom. We sat together and started watching a movie. Honestly, these moments are really rare, or can say them underrated, because people don't value this moment as much they should. We spend so much time chasing goals, deadlines, and being productive that sometimes we forget how valuable simple moments with family are. We watched the movie till around like 7 p.m. and it felt actually nice to disconnect from uh, things for a few hours. No work, no stress, just enjoying the weekend. And once the movie was over, I got ready for my workout. Even though it was Sunday, it was a rest day though, but yet I don't still want to like do anything. But so I decided to do some warm up stretching and little bit of push ups, because consistency matter more than motivation. So I finished my workout and managed to complete 20k 20,000 steps today, as which I'm really happy about. Keeping this daily step uh, count going has become a habit now. I will continue it as long time. From like around 8 to 10 p.m., I was spending time with my family. We had dinner together, talked about random things, and just enjoy the evening. Sunday usually end up like this for me. Right now it's around like 11:20 p.m. and I'm recording this vlog before going to sleep. To be honest, I had few things planned for today. There were some videos that were supposed to come be uploaded, and I couldn't get to them, not because I was lazy, but because weekend usually look very different from weekdays. During weekdays, almost the entire day is dedicated to work. By the time work ends, there's only a little time left for myself, and then weekends mostly become family time. So sometimes it feels like I don't really get much time that just for me. But at the same time, I also know that these moments with family are important, and one day I will probably gonna miss them or miss these ordinary Sundays. I guess this is all about finding that balance. Some days are super like productive, some days are slow, some days everything goes according to plan, and some days spending time with the people you love is the most productive thing you can do. So I'm not complaining. It was a decent Sunday. I got to relax, watch movie, complete my workout, hitting 20k steps, having dinner, and now I am ending the day by talking to all of you. Let's see what tomorrow brings. New week starts, new goals, new stress. Hopefully, another steps forward. If you like watching till the end, thank you so much for being here and supporting the daily journey. It genuinely means a lot. If you like enjoyed today vlog, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments how do you usually spend your Sunday. Are you someone who relax completely, or do you try to stay productive even on weekends? I'll see you all tomorrow with day 196. Take care, stay happy, stay consistent, keep moving forward. Tata, bye bye.